Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about your first chapter, that is number system. So let me write over here. Number system. Actually, number system consisting of binary number system, then decimal number system, then octal number system, last hexadecimal number system. So let us study about elaborately binary number system. So what is binary number system? Actually, binary number system consisting of two digits, that is 0 and another digit is 1. So there are two digits. So the base of the binary system is 2. How we write? Suppose the binary number like 101010, because it is the combination of 0 1, so it is a binary number. We have to write base 2 within bracket. We have to write the digits, then write 2. 2 is the base. Next, decimal number system. Decimal number system. The decimal number system consisting of the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 digits, so the base of the decimal number system is 10. How we write? Suppose your decimal number is like 25. It is a decimal number, so it is the base of 10. So we have to write 25 base 10. Next, let us study how to convert binary to decimal and decimal to binary. So first we have to study conversion of decimal to binary. Let us see how I do. Suppose a decimal number system is like 25. If I am asking you what is the conversion form of binary, what is the binary form of decimal 25? Let us see how I do. First you write 25, then you have to divide it by 2. Why? Because you are going to convert from decimal to binary, so you have to divide 2. 2 12 2 is 24. 1 is remainder, so you have to write in this place as 1. 1 because when we divide 25 by 2, the quotient is 12 and the remainder is 1, so we have to write 1 in that place. Then another, then again divide by 2. 2 6 are 12, the remainder is 0. Then again 2 3 are 6, remainder is 0. Then again divide 2, 2 1 are 2, remainder is 1. You have to divide it until when you get a binary number. Binary number means 0 1. If you find 0 or 1 at last, then you have to stop divide. So your answer is from bottom to top. That means 1 1 0 0 1. So you write 1, then 1, then 0, then 0, then 1. So the binary form of 25 is 1 1 0 0 1. Understand? Next, conversion of binary to decimal. You have learned decimal to binary, then another conversion is binary to decimal. Suppose your binary number is, let us take this example, 1 1 0 0 1. What is the decimal form? So you first write the number 1 1 0 0 1. Then how you convert? Let us see. First you count how many numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5. So first write 1 into 2. 5, because 2, that number is consisting of binary digit, so we have to write 2. Then calculate after 1 how many digits are left. So there are 4 digits, 1 2 3 4, so you have to write power as 4. Then you have to place a plus sign. Then another digit is written here, 1 into 2. Then calculate how many numbers are there, 1 2 3. Then you have to write 3. Then plus, then another number is 0 into 2. Then calculate how many numbers are left, 1 2 2 plus. Then that number will be written 0 into 2. How many numbers are left? 1. So write 1. Then write another number plus 1 into 2. Then how many numbers are left? No numbers. So you have to write 0. 1 into 2 to the power 2. 1 into 2 to the power 4. 16 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3. 8 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2. 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1. 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 equal to 1. Why? Because any number to the power 0 equal to 1. So 16 plus 8, 24 plus 1 equal to 25. So your answer is 25. Now let us study what is octal system. The octal system is consisting of the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. So count how many digits are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the base of the octal system, the base of the octal system is 8. Let us take an example. What is how to write a octal number? Suppose I am writing 2, 7. That is also a octal number, base 8. Now how to convert? Conversion of octal number, octal to decimal. Suppose let us take this example. Let us write 27. First you write 2 into 8. Why it is written as 8? Why it is not 2? Because it is a octal system, so we have to write 8. Then first you have to write 2 into 8. How many numbers are left? 1. So you have to write 1 in this place, plus then another number 7 into 8. How many numbers are left? There are no numbers, we have to write 0. So 2 into 8. 2 into 8, 16, plus 7 into 8 to the power 0 equal to 1. So 16 plus 7 equal to 23. So in this place you have to write 23. The conversion of octal number, that is 27, to decimal number, that is equal to 23. Next, your hexadecimal number system. What is hexadecimal number system? The number system consisting of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let's see how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 number. So its base is 16. Number counting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 10. So the value of A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 12, D equal to 13, E equal to 14, F equal to 15. So number starting from 0 to 15. So there are 16 numbers are there in hexadecimal number system. So the base is written as 16. Example 4a as 16. So how to convert hexadecimal to decimal? So you have to write 4a is equal to 4 into 16 to the power how many numbers are left? One number, so that is 1, plus a into 16 to the power how many numbers are left? There are no numbers, so we have to write 0. So 4 into 16, 64, plus a into 16 to the power 0 equal to 1. So 64 plus a means 10. So 10 into 1, 10. So 64 plus 10 equal to 74. That is your final answer. In the next video, we will learn arithmetic operations of number system.